My name is Roxanne Newton. Everybody knows me as Roxy, and I am Process Manager here for Scott's Timber Engineering.
I'm Greg Dufeu. I'm Managing Director of Dufeu IT, and we have been managing the IT and cybersecurity for Scott's of Thrapston for the best part of 2 years now.
Before Dufeu came on board, we had outdated systems. We were reliant on end-of-life hardware.
When we first started working with Scott's, we performed a network audit and a cybersecurity risk assessment, and immediately found that a lot of their systems weren't put together as efficiently as they should do.
Technology now supports us as a business. We have more collaborative working across sites. We have better planning capability. It's more efficient. We managed to amalgamate certain roles that were shared across 2 sites, bringing them in-house.
Once we identified what was required and presented to Scott's our recommendations for advancing the IT and cybersecurity systems, there was absolutely no pushback whatsoever. They took on board our recommendations and we worked with them to seamlessly, without downtime or much disruption, implement those systems.
Dufeu's roadmap helped us to identify areas in our business that we perhaps weren't aware needed work surrounding the IT infrastructure and the cybersecurity. They detailed it out for us in a way that was really easy to understand, produced the roadmap over a certain amount of weeks, months, gave us detailed project plans on what we would need to do and when we would need to do it.
Scott's of Thrapston are now in a really good place to firstly prevent downtime, and secondly, if there is any unexpected downtime, recover extremely quickly. If you'd like more information on how Dufeu can help you advance your technology usage, reduce risk within your business with advanced cybersecurity solutions, then please contact us via our website www.dufeu-it.co.uk or check us out on social media.